Ngucanio ya muhaka iria-ini ria kihindi gatagati ka bururi wa Kenya na Somalia ikoretwo ihandite kwa ihinda ria miaka 7 riu thutha wa bururi wa Somalia kwambika ciira igoti-ini inene ria gutuithania ngucanio cia kimabururi ukiuga gicunje kiria kiri muhaka-ini ucio ni kiao guku bururi wa Kenya ugikararia na kuga ni kiao.
As a sovereign nation, Kenya shall no longer be subject to an international court or tribunal without its expressed consent.
Mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya maundu ma nanja wa bururi Macharia Kamau ni ugite bururi wa Kenya ndugutia itua riria rikarekererio ni igoti-ini keeri ga kiumia twerekeire.
The delivery of the judgment will be the culmination of a flawed judicial process that Kenya has had reservations with and withdrawn from on account not just of its obvious and inherent bias, but also of its unsuitability to resolve the dispute at hand.
Akiaria na andiki ya mohoro Kamau ni ugite ni gukoretwo na ndugamano ya ihinda iraya ya ni bururi uriku ubatie gukorwo wigwatĩire gicunje giki muhaka-ini wa iria ria kihindi thutha wa bururi wa Somalia kwambika ciira igoti-ini mwaka-ini wa 2014 niguo ndugamano ino ituithanio.
Kenya has maintained, even before Somalia filed the current case, that any dispute between the two countries regarding their maritime boundary should be resolved through amicable negotiations.
Kamau ni okireire igoti riri akiuga ni rironekana kwenderera bururi wa Somalia hari mamwe ma matua mario akiuga ritifatie ni gutuithania ndugamano ino.
The court assumed jurisdiction where it had none by effectively ignoring Kenya's 1965 reservation that excluded disputes such as the present one from the court's jurisdiction.
Kuringana na Kamau, bururi wa Kenya niwe yeheririe ciira-ini uyu mweri-ini wa gatatu mwaka uyu ukiuga igoti riri ritiratuithania ciira uyu na mana kihoto.
Kenya, on the 24th September 2021, also joined many other members of the United Nations in withdrawing its recognition of the court's compulsory jurisdiction.
Miario ya Kamau ni nyititwo mbaru ni munini wa munene wa mbiraru guku bururi-ini Francis Ogola hamwe na mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya uragiri wa bururi Ibrahim Mohamed makiuga thirikari cia mabururi maya meri cibatie kunanira njung'wa niguo gwetha kihonia kia ndugamano ino wona mabururi maya meri metikira kuiguithaniria. Gicunje giki kiria kina ngucanio gatagati ka mabururi maya meri muhaka-ini wa iria ria kihindi ni kia muigana wa